So you want to own a Bentley, a car where almost every piece of leather is hand-stitched by skilled craftsmen. When most people think of wealth on four wheels, they picture a Lamborghini, a Ferrari, or maybe even a Rolls-Royce. But among CEOs, celebrities, entrepreneurs, and old money families, there's another name that quietly commands just as much respect, where real wood, not plastic, is polished to perfection, where comfort matters just as much as performance, and where every drive feels like traveling first class. In this video, we're breaking down every major expense of Bentley ownership. We'll look at how much it costs to buy one, how expensive insurance really is, what routine maintenance and unexpected repairs can cost, how much you'll spend on fuel, tires, and brakes, the hidden ownership costs that most buyers never think about, how quickly a Bentley loses value through depreciation, whether it's actually a good investment, and finally, we'll calculate the total cost of owning one over 5 years. By the end of this video, you'll know whether owning a Bentley is a symbol of financial success or one of the most expensive financial decisions you can make. Let's break down the real cost of owning a Bentley. Now let's talk about the first and most obvious expenses. Buying the car itself. A brand new Bentley typically starts at around $240,000, but almost nobody buys a Bentley exactly as it leaves the factory. One of Bentley's biggest selling points is personalization. Buyers can choose from dozens of paint colors, hundreds of leather combinations, rare wood veneers, polished metal finishes, custom embroidery, unique wheel designs, premium sound systems, massage seats, rear entertainment packages, and the famous Mulliner options, which add even more handcrafted details. These upgrades aren't cheap. It's surprisingly easy to spend another $30,000 to $80,000 before you've even driven the car. That means many Bentleys leave the dealership with a price tag between $280,000 and $350,000. But the bill doesn't stop there. Sales tax, registration, dealer documentation fees, luxury vehicle taxes in some regions. All of those can add tens of thousands of dollars. By the time everything is finalized, many buyers have spent over $320,000. And here's the interesting part. That enormous purchase price still isn't the biggest financial loss you'll experience. We'll come back to that later. Insurance companies don't just look at how expensive it is to repair, and that's where Bentley becomes costly. The body panels are expensive. The paint often requires specialized refinishing. Many components are handmade. The advanced electronics and safety systems increase repair complexity. Even a relatively small collision can result in repair bills that reach tens of thousands of dollars. Because of that, insurance premiums are significantly higher than most luxury vehicles. Depending on your age, driving history, location, and coverage level, owners typically pay between $400 to $500 and $10,000 every year. If you're under 30, or you live in a city with higher accident or theft rates, it could be even more. Over 5 years, insurance alone can cost somewhere between $25,000 and $50,000. And believe it or not, we've only covered the costs of buying the car and keeping it insured, because next, we're getting into the expenses that continue year after year. Maintenance, fuel, tires, brakes, and the repair bills that make even experienced luxury car owners nervous. By now, you've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars buying and insuring your Bentley. But here's where ownership really begins. Unlike a regular car that can be serviced at almost any repair shop, a Bentley is a handcrafted, luxury machine packed with advanced engineering. Under the hood, you'll find powerful twin-turbocharged engines. Inside, there are dozens of electronic control modules managing everything from the adaptive air suspension to the massage seats and climate-controlled cabin. Every component is built to an incredibly high standard, but when something needs attention, it usually comes with a premium price tag. Routine maintenance isn't optional. Bentley recommends regular servicing to keep the car performing the way it was designed. An annual service typically costs between $1,500 and $3,000, depending on the model and dealership. Major scheduled services can easily climb to $5,000 or more, and that's only if everything is working perfectly. Once the factory warranty expires, ownership becomes much less predictable. A failed air suspension compressor, an electronic control module, a turbocharger, or even a cooling system repair can quickly turn into a bill worth several $1,000s. Some repairs can even reach 5 figures. That's why many owners purchase extended warranties, not because they expect problems, but because one unexpected repair can cost more than years of routine servicing. Owning a Bentley isn't just about being able to buy it. It's about being financially prepared to maintain it. Luxury may be smooth, but it definitely isn't fuel efficient. Bentleys are built to deliver effortless power, not impressive gas mileage. Most modern models use powerful twin-turbo V8 engines, while older flagship models feature the legendary W12 engine. These engines produce incredible performance, but they also have a healthy appetite for premium fuel. Depending on the model and your driving style, expect fuel economy to average around 14 to 22 miles per gallon. If you drive roughly 10,000 miles each year, you'll likely spend between $3,000 and $5,000 annually on premium gasoline. Over 5 years, that's another $15,000 to $25,000 spent simply keeping the tank full. It's the kind of expense that doesn't feel significant on a single visit to the gas station. But over time, it quietly adds up. Bentleys are surprisingly heavy vehicles. Many weigh well over 5,000 pounds, yet they can still accelerate like a performance car. That combination creates a lot of stress on both the tires and braking system. A set of Bentley-approved performance tires generally costs between $2,000 and $3,500, and if you enjoy using all that power, you'll replace them much sooner than expected. The brakes are no cheaper. Replacing brake pads and rotors can easily cost $2,500 to $6,000 depending on the model. Some high-performance versions are equipped with carbon ceramic brakes. They offer incredible stopping power and last longer under demanding conditions. But when replacement time finally comes, the bill can be dramatically higher than traditional brakes. Luxury performance has a price, and every mile you drive slowly brings those maintenance costs closer. Now let's talk about the expenses that almost every first-time Bentley owner underestimates. The hidden costs. These aren't the bills you see in the showroom. They're the ones that quietly appear throughout ownership. Professional detailing to protect the handcrafted paint. Ceramic coating or paint protection film to preserve the finish. Premium parking and secure storage. Wheel refinishing after curb damage. Battery replacement. Software updates. Luxury car transportation. Even something as simple as replacing a cracked windshield can cost thousands because modern. Bentleys integrate cameras and advanced driver assistance systems directly into the glass. Individually, these expenses may not seem overwhelming, but together, they can easily add another $10,000 or more over 5 years. And believe it or not, we've still ignored the biggest expense of them all, because there's one cost that begins the moment you drive your brand new Bentley off the dealership lot. And unlike fuel or maintenance, there's almost nothing you can do to stop it. Depreciation. In Part 3, we'll calculate how much value a Bentley can lose over 5 years. Ever a good investment, and reveal the true total cost of ownership. So far, we've talked about the expenses you actually pay for. Insurance, maintenance, fuel, tires, brakes, and all the hidden costs that come with owning a Bentley. But none of them are the biggest expense. That title belongs to something you never receive a bill for. Depreciation. The moment you drive a brand new Bentley off the dealership lot, it begins losing value. And unlike fuel or maintenance, there's almost nothing you can do to stop it. Why? Because luxury cars depreciate differently than everyday vehicles. They're expensive to maintain. They're expensive to repair. Technology improves every year, and many buyers in the used market prefer purchasing newer models with warranty coverage. All of that puts downward pressure on resale value. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you buy a Bentley for $320,000 after adding options, taxes, and fees. 5 years later, depending on the model, mileage, condition, and market demand, that same car could be worth only $140,000. You've lost somewhere between $140,000 and $180,000 in value. That's more than the price of many luxury cars, and in most cases, depreciation ends up costing owners far more than insurance, fuel, or maintenance combined. Ironically, this is also why buying a used Bentley can sometimes be an incredible deal. The first owner absorbs the biggest financial hit. The second owner gets the same handcrafted luxury for a fraction of the original price. Of course, there's a trade-off. You save money on the purchase price, but you still inherit the same expensive maintenance and repair costs. Every so often, you'll hear someone claim that luxury cars are investments, and while that may be true for a handful of extremely rare collector cars, it generally doesn't apply to Bentley. Bentleys are built to be driven, to be enjoyed, to deliver one of the most refined driving experiences in the world. They're not designed to outperform the stock market. Could certain limited production Bentleys become valuable decades from now? Possibly, but predicting which models will appreciate is incredibly difficult. For the average buyer, a Bentley should never be viewed as an investment. It should be viewed as a luxury purchase. Something you buy because you genuinely love the craftsmanship, comfort, and experience, not because you expect to make money from it. If it holds its value better than expected, that's a bonus, but it shouldn't be the reason you buy one. Now let's add everything together. Here's a realistic estimate for owning a new Bentley over 5 years. Purchase price with options, taxes, and fees, approximately $320,000. Insurance, around $35,000. Maintenance and routine servicing, approximately $20,000. Unexpected repairs, around $10,000. Fuel, approximately $20,000. Tires and brakes, around $12,000. Hidden ownership costs, roughly $10,000. And finally, depreciation, approximately $150,000. When you total everything, the 5-year cost of owning a Bentley can easily exceed $575,000. That's well over $500,000. And remember, these are estimates. Depending on the model you choose, how much you drive, fuel prices, insurance rates, and unexpected repairs, your actual ownership costs could be significantly higher. So, is a Bentley worth it? If you have the financial freedom to buy one without compromising your lifestyle, the answer can absolutely be yes. Few cars combine luxury, performance, craftsmanship, and comfort the way a Bentley does. Every journey feels special. Every detail reminds you that you're driving something built with extraordinary care. But if buying one means stretching your finances, taking on a loan you can barely afford, or assuming the purchase price is the only major expense, you may be setting yourself up for years of financial pressure, because the true cost of owning a Bentley isn't measured by the monthly payment, it's measured by everything that comes after. And that's exactly why understanding the economics of luxury ownership matters. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to Broke Daddy. Every week, we uncover the real costs behind luxury cars, watches, and the lifestyles people dream. So before you buy the dream, you know what it actually costs.